Have you ever wondered what it feels like to command the skies, twisting and turning through the air like a true pilot, with no license required? Imagine standing in your backyard or a wide-open field, launching a high-powered RC aircraft into the sky, pulling off barrel rolls, vertical climbs, and gliding with razor-sharp precision, all from the palm of your hand. Today on TechTrekNet, we're diving into the most exciting RC airplanes available right now, planes that blend pro-level performance with beginner-friendly control. Welcome to TechTrekNet, I'm your host, and whether you're an aspiring pilot or just want to level up your outdoor adventures, you're in the right place. All product links are in the description below, so buckle up and let's fly. We start with the F22 RC airplane, a sleek and lightweight aircraft that combines power with precision. Made from ultra-durable EPP material and weighing only 145 grams, it's built to absorb impacts and still soar like nothing happened. The heart of this plane is its 1406 brushless motor and dual-mode 3D6G gyroscope system, offering 2 flight modes, 3-axis lock for crisp aerobatics, and 6-axis stabilization for smooth, stable cruising. With a high-capacity 7.4 V600 mAh battery giving you about 12 minutes of flight time, it's perfect for outdoor flyers who want to learn tricks like somersaults, spirals, and even inverted flight without feeling out of control. And the detachable wing design makes transport a breeze. Next up is the Liembie P-51 Mustang, a modern tribute to the legendary 1-2 warbird, re-engineered for both kids and adults. Built with ultra-light elastomer foam, it's tough yet easy to maneuver, even in light winds. What makes it stand out is its 3 pilot modes, beginner, intermediate, and experienced, so you can grow your skills at your own pace. Add in the X-Pilot gyro stabilizer for smooth handling and the innovative propeller saver technology that protects the motor during rough landings. And you've got a plane that not only looks iconic but flies like a dream. With a wingspan of 15 inches, an 8mm coreless motor, and a control range of over 650 feet, it's a compact beast that makes RC flying fun and frustration-free. Now if you're looking to light up the sky, literally, check out the 4DRC V22 Foam Fighter Jet, an action-packed RC plane with LED light trails, gravity sensing, 360-degree flips, and stunt rolls that make it look like something out of a sci-fi movie. No assembly is needed, just charge it up, press a button, and take off. The foam build is crash-resistant and kid-safe, making it a great choice for younger pilots or beginners who want to impress their friends at night with a glowing air show. With one key landing and multiple speed settings, it's as easy to control as it is exciting to watch, making it an epic gift for aspiring pilots of any age. But if speed is your thing, let me introduce the 3-channel brushless glider RC plane, a rocket disguised as a glider. Equipped with twin brushless motors, it can fly at speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour. It features a precise 3-channel setup and built-in gyroscope that allows for vertical launches, inverted flying, tumbling stunts, and 2 takeoff options: manual throw or taxi takeoff. The high-torque motors combined with its aerodynamic frame make this one of the most agile and thrilling planes on the list. It's durable too, thanks to EPP foam construction, and can handle hard landings with ease. If you want the rush of high-speed flight and crazy aerial tricks, this is your pick. Moving on to something built for serious aerobatics, the F22 RC plane. This 4-channel jet is modeled after the real F22 Raptor and delivers a next-level flight experience. From forward and backward rolls to full 360-degree spin maneuvers, this plane is designed for jaw-dropping aerial stunts. The included gyroscopic assist helps keep it stable even when pulling off wild moves, and its dual high-horsepower motors ensure strong lift and fast acceleration. You also get 2 rechargeable 800 mAh batteries, which give you up to 13 minutes per battery in 6D mode, and it supports multiple takeoff environments, from grass to pavement to hand-tossed launches. Whether you're a seasoned RC pilot or a daring beginner, the F-22 makes you feel like you're flying a real jet. Now let's shift to aerial cinematics with the Besgar RC plane, a true standout for pilots who want to record every thrilling moment. This aircraft features a dual camera system, one top-mounted and one bottom-facing, letting you capture dynamic overhead views and cinematic ground sweeps. It's also equipped with a 6-axis gyro for silky, smooth stability during flight, making it beginner-friendly while still powerful enough for impressive maneuvers. Add in its long 15-plus minute flight time and LED navigation lights, and you've got an aircraft that's part drone, part stunt jet, and fully immersive. Whether you're filming your flights or just enjoying the view, the Besgar offers an exciting upgrade. Finally, let's glide into the Volantex RC Ranger 600, a rear-thrust powered glider that proves you don't need crazy speed to have a beautiful flight experience. With 3 flight modes, full assist beginner, half assist intermediate, and expert, you can start slow and work your way up. The X-Pilot stabilization system keeps the plane balanced even in light wind, and thanks to its rear propeller thrust system, it can occasionally fly without any motor assistance, gliding peacefully across the sky. It even features one-button stunt control, making loops and rolls easy for beginners. Best of all, it offers an incredible 20-minute flight time, nearly double most others in its class. Now let's do a final flyby of all the aircraft we've covered, this time focusing on what makes each of them special so you can find your perfect match. The A160 RC airplane delivers expert-level stunts with its 3D6G gyro system and a brushless motor that powers tricks like inverted flight and spirals while staying stable enough for new pilots to learn safely. The Liambi P51 Mustang gives you historic warbird styling with modern flight assist modes, and a safety-first prop saver that makes it ideal for families and newcomers to the hobby. The Ford DRC V32 fighter jet brings light, energy, and excitement with its night-friendly LED show, gravity-sensing controls, and crash-proof foam design for carefree stunt flying. The 3-channel brushless glider turns up the speed and power, delivering vertical launches and precision flips at 40 km/h, making it a must for thrill seekers. The F-22 RC plane takes performance even further with dual high-power motors and advanced aerobatics, letting you perform rolls, flips, and complex maneuvers like a pro, even if it's your first day flying. The Besgar RC plane is the ultimate tool for aerial content creators with 2 cameras, smooth gyro control, and brilliant LEDs to bring your stunts to life on screen. And the Volantex RC Ranger 600 is perfect for peaceful gliding, long flight sessions, and button-triggered tricks with a level of ease and polish that's hard to beat. If any of these planes inspired you to take to the skies, don't wait. Check out the links in the description and start your RC adventure today. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss the latest from TechTrekNet, where we bring the coolest tech to your screen every week. Until next time, stay safe, fly high, and keep exploring the skies.